Story name A Greedy Dog. Once upon a time, there was a dog who was roaming around the village in search of food. He was a greedy dog and was never satisfied with what he had. On one particular day, he managed to snatch a piece of bone from the butcher's shop and ran away to eat in peace. On the way, he found a river. He was very curious, so holding the bone he peeped into the river. He was amazed to see his reflection, but he thought it was another dog with a bone. Since this dog was greedy, it wanted that bone too. So he opened his mouth and started barking in the hope that the other dog would get scared and leave his bone behind. But, as soon as he opened his mouth, his bone fell into the river and floated away. Then the dog got upset that in the greed of getting another bone, it lost its own bone. Moral of the story: we should not be greedy.